So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a brand new red day. As you can see, the studio is already quite red, same like the market. We had yesterday an update of the Jerome, chairman of the Fed, and it didn't help, okay? There's a couple of things that I want to show you today, which is more of the macroeconomics of the market. And then I want to show you why this could lead to further sell off. And then finally, obviously, I want to go really into your questions. So post your questions into the comment section, and please let me know where you are watching from, okay? I want to see at least 10 different nationalities here in the chat right now. Okay, let's dive in. So first of all, look what the chairman of the Fed, and I want to point something very specific without big blah blah, just go in something that they said, okay? So they said inflation continues to be below 2%. However, this is their condition of the overall scenario that they want to achieve, okay? So they want to really make sure, and this is here, the committee seeks to achieve maximum employment and inflation at the rate of 2% over the longer run, okay? So they want to make inflation around 2% for the long run, and want to see it for a couple of, let's say, years, right? Before they change anything, all right? Now you can see that at the same time, the 10-year treasury yield is actually going way below that, all right? Look at that. So currently we are bouncing at around 1.708, which is way below the 2% mark, okay? This is the fact number one. Second, the speed of this increasing is challenging growth stock and growth stocks specifically that are dependent on cheap money, right? And obviously also the bonds of companies are going down. So this is triggering that they cannot get so much money, so they cannot grow. So all of these concerns are combined with retail investors that are scared, that algorithms that get triggered. All of that is happening quite heavily, weighting on the NASDAQ. So here you go, that you see all of this combined. Now, the following question. If the inflation will go or is near or whatever, around this 2%, who the hell would buy this 10-year bond? You would lose 20 cents on the dollar, right? I mean, think about it. You are investing in something that is giving you 2%, less than 2% interest, but the money itself is losing 2% of value, okay? So it is definitely not attractive to buy bonds, and that's why I think the increasing of the bonds will continue. So there's if this will stay in connection, the sales of tech stocks will continue. Well, that's what it is. So this is the number one fact. And I am diving here and telling you what I'm doing, I want to just have a look where you guys are from, okay? So if you are looking here in the chat, we have people, and we said 10 nationalities, okay? So we have Austria, we have Mexico, we have Spain, we have Estonia, we have America, USA, California, Then we have Lithuania, we have Czech, we have Australia, Denmark. One more, guys. One more. We need one more nationality to continue this video. So make sure to type in from where you are from. So we need one more nationality, and I think it will come in just a second. Netherlands. Yeah, we didn't have Netherlands. So Seer from Netherlands, thank you very much. So 10 nationalities at least here in this live stream. Thank you very much for that. Make sure to follow me also on all the other platforms, right? I mean, exactly, I'm talking about Twitch, I'm talking about Twitter, and I'm talking about Instagram as well. Now, what I'm doing, okay, because if I'm looking into the market, it's quite painful if you see stocks like Tesla, for example, with minus 5.75% negative today, which is quite significantly. But let's dive, for example, into Tesla. So what I'm doing usually, I'm looking into some data here into the, let's say, chart, okay? You can do this on broader basis, like, you know, you can go into the chart of NASDAQ. The problem here, everything was screwed up when the Tesla crossed the 50 moving average, okay? This was obviously a little before. This was about on the 19th of February and gave the overall stock a very weak scenario, just technical wise, okay? Then you are having this and here, you know, bouncing off some resistance, but this was a big technical factor. So to close that, let's say, negative turn that we currently have, we should go at least over this 50 day mark. And if we are looking into space, for example, another company that we're talking about a lot here into our stream, here you can see that it's the same, but it's very, very close to the 50 moving average here, where it's around 39. And here it would be good if you know, we stay somewhere in this scenario, but going over here this resistance. As you can see here, we fight it a little bit against that. It was pretty good to move out of this trend that, you know, went crazy much down, very much narrowed down. But other than that, you can see that, you know, all of this setup is not quite right for those stocks. And obviously with the pressure from the bond yield market, it will continue a little bit like that. You know, you can see there's quite a big room actually to go a little bit lower to even this resistance of 25. At Tesla, it's, you know, here maybe, I would say 650 or maybe 590, you know, but here we thought, or we think there would be, or there is a bottom. Let's see how it goes. If we are considering that this could be a situation like in the 90s, then the bond can go even higher and higher and maybe go to 2, 2.2, 2.3. As I don't really know how to use this crystal ball and can exactly tell you what to do, I can still tell you what I'm doing, all right? With all the experience that I have on the stock market, I always thought it's great to purchase when you have some cash around, or you get your salary, you know, end of March, to invest into the stock market, because those are just temporary situations, okay? As soon as, you know, everything, let's say, smooths a little bit out, you can make bargains on fantastic stocks, okay? So I am buying Tesla, I am buying Space, I'm buying Peloton, I'm buying Beyond Meat. As soon as I have free cash, I'm pumping into the market, because I cannot know, nobody actually knows where's the bottom and where we go back up. So the question is, you know, how to get as much cash as possible, okay? Second, be emotionally a little bit deducted from that downturn. I know it hurts, especially if we are looking into where we're coming from, right? 25 to 30% less. But hey, you know, you love the company when it was 30% more, so you get the 30% discount. Usually what you do, what I'm doing, if I see something that I like and I'm buying it, you know, and I'm buying it continuously and there's 30% off, well, I would love to buy more, right? Because, or I'm happy because I can, for the same amount of money, I can buy a little bit more. So this is exactly what should be your mindset. And yeah, we have meanwhile also people from Geneva, UK, Iran, Las Vegas, California. Thank you very much for that support. I think this makes a little bit more clear. Subscribe if you are new. Smash that like button, guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. And if you want to get lifetime access to the Discord and get even, you know, more education, how to get to those mindset, when to buy and sell stocks, what to look for in stocks, I can really recommend my only one video course that I'm having there. It's my pretty own. I did everything by my own with my team, X10 Masterclass. Check it out. And yeah, much value for very less money. You get a better investor. And I wish you a fantastic start into the weekend, though we see each other obviously at the Virgin Galactic Friday. So I'm super excited to see you as well. We will talk about Virgin Galactic tomorrow, and then obviously every single other day, as you know, the other couple of years that I'm already on YouTube, you get a daily vlog. So thank you very much for watching. I will be more extensively doing this live streams, guys, with you. I love it. I missed it. As you know, I was copyright striked for 3 months, and now I'm very happy to be back. I wish you all the best, and take care, stay healthy, right? And I see you on the other side, because don't forget, the grass is greener on the other side.